Eric and Sean here of Pioneer Survival Company. In these trying times with supply chain issues and food shortages, a stockpile of food is a must. However, like many of you, I've went to the store to pick up some food and, be it toilet paper, steak, baby formula, sometimes the shelves are just bare. So what do you do? What do you do when there's no food on the shelves for you and your family? In this course, we're going to teach you exactly what to do. We're going to go through pressure canning, water bath canning, fermentation.
We're also going to be doing dehydration, salting and smoking, and as an added bonus, we're also going to show you how to take Mylar and actually seal and store this food up. So essentially, when you take this course, you're going to learn how to go into the outdoors, pick something like this to make jams. You can, when you go hunting, you're going to learn how to process, well, not necessarily process, but how to store that food, and how to just take your everyday items that you grow in your garden and make sure that you can stick it up for long-term food supply. Become that hunter-gatherer that you need to be for your family.
Really just become self-sufficient. Self-sufficiency is the most important thing. Without it, we're basically dependent on everyone else.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if you're a homesteader or just the average Joe sitting around your house wanting to learn how to preserve your food. This is going to be the ultimate course for you.
So follow along with us while we teach you some new skills and maybe have a little fun on the way.
That's right.
Ten minutes of this solid stream of steam coming out, and then we'll be ready to put our 10-pound weight on.
So, I mean, even this, if you could go even thinner than this, that would be fantastic.
So you have to do a little manipulation of